is going to be interesting, okay? Because
when you're done with this fake news, you want to hear some real science? Hey kids, today we're here to talk about Newton's first, second, and third laws. Science.
This kid is sad because he doesn't understand science. Don't be like him. Be like him.
Today we will be covering Newton's 3 laws of physics. We will start with Newton's first law. As you can see, when we take the card out from underneath the pennies, they fall. This is because when objects are at rest, they stay at rest, and when they are in motion, they stay in motion. At least once, an outside force acts on them. This is called inertia.
Science.
Newton's second law is all about acceleration. This can be shown by this ball dropping from the top of the stairwell. The equation for acceleration is acceleration equals force divided by mass. This might not make sense now, but it will later. The ball accelerates because it is dropped, but eventually it will reach terminal velocity, which means it will no longer accelerate, but it is still moving. This is true for all objects, not just this ball.
Science, man.
What do you think will happen next? A. The ball hits his face. B. His face hits the ball. Or C. All of the above. If you answered C, all of the above, then you are correct. Why is this? Well, because for every reaction, there is always an equal and opposite reaction.
Only in case of emergency.
This law is always true, like when these water balloons hit our faces, the balloons hit our face, but this time the balloons can't hit as hard as we can, so they explode. Reactions are always equal, like when a baseball and a baseball bat collide, or when your feet land on a trampoline.
So kids, what have you learned today?
Today we will learn that inertia causes objects to stay at rest or stay moving. We also learned that acceleration speeds objects' movement and terminal velocity is eventually reached when something is falling through the air. Lastly, we learned that when objects collide, they always hit each other with the same exact force unless one object isn't strong enough. Then it can break, like with the water balloons. That's enough for this lesson. Thanks for watching.